Hey crafters, it's Janet with Crafting It Up in Creations. So coming at you today, I had to run to work today just for a small meeting for education to become a super user on the wound vac. Works exactly like our other wound vacs did, but they've changed them around a little bit. But I decided to run on into town and to go see my mama and take her lunch. And I ran by the Dollar Tree real quick. I was really craving Kentucky Fried Chicken today for whatever reason. And I'm so glad I went by the Dollar Tree. I finally found these little cute pieces to go into a fairy garden. And this one looks like a little camper. It says welcome above the little doorway. It's kind of like a light blue in color. And then, of course, the paint job on this is not the best, but you could definitely repaint these. The little silver on the wheels a little bit off and the little windows a little off, but I think they're really super cute, and I think it would be kind of fun to paint these because it would be really simple even if you wanted to do that. So I got two of the little campers, and then they also had the red truck. So Crafty Sher Cupcake shared this on her channel probably at least a month ago. It feels like longer than that. That they had these at her Dollar Tree. Of course, she lives in Canada. Sometimes they get things we don't, sometimes we get things they don't, so it's so hard to tell. But I finally had found them, and I hadn't seen anybody else actually share them except her yet. So I'll link her channel down below in case you want to check her out. She does a lot of cute things with fairy gardens and such. They also had this little gazebo. It looks like it kind of has a little blanket draped across of it, and then maybe a little pillow over on the one side. The leaves that are on top with the flowers, they are pretty detailed looking. I think this is really super cute. I only grabbed one of those, but I thought that would be really cute to put into a little fairy garden. And then they had a couple of these they're animals that were in the section of the fairy garden stuff, and these are really super cute. I have some open face ornaments, and I wanted to use half of one to use with the little Target doors that I decorated. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it up in the iCards above. But I wanted to create something woodland themed where it looked like the little owl was sitting in the recessed hole. And I thought that would be cute hanging on the door like as a wreath, but these are really cute. There is a bird, a little deer, a bunny rabbit, a turtle, a little hedgehog, and an owl. And they're just really cute. They didn't go too far with their eyes. They kind of just put little black dots, and none of these look too awkward as little animals. And they actually are really well. I love the little red cardinal. I think he would be cute on a craft for sure. I just have a thing with cardinals. And of course, a cardinal scene usually means a visitor from above. So I always like to think stuff like that, just because sometimes I need that sign, like, are you watching over me? Thank you for doing so. Love you. Different things like that. I don't know if you guys have heard of that before, but I take special meaning when I do see a cardinal in my backyard. And then I also picked up these wood numbers. I've picked up these before, but I wanted the number 14. I'm working on some Valentine's Day crafts, so stay tuned for that. And so I wanted a 1 and a 4, and I know I've opened up my pack before, and I wasn't sure that I had the numbers that I would need, so I did get one more of this. And I thought that I would keep that upstairs. I've been working on some really cute stuff. Now, I found these Kale Tails at the Dollar Tree, and I have to say, a little special meaning to me because my dad loved these things, and my mom would buy them for him all the time, and my kids would come over and go jump up on Granddaddy or Papa's lap, as Logan would even call him, and he would give them a Kale Tail, and they would watch an episode or 2 or 3 of Scooby-Doo together, and just thinking of stuff like that, kind of, reminiscing about things. My dad's been gone for about 10 years now, but just knowing that those memories in the back of your head, how something kind of special means to you. So I bought 4 bags of these because I thought I would give some to the kids for Valentine's Day, and then, of course, keep one for myself. I love Kale Tails. And then I also picked up a couple other things that I thought that I would use in an upcoming video as well. These are super cute. Of course, they had the small create or color your own ornaments in the eggs this year, but now I found the larger egg, and I thought that was pretty neat. I thought this might be fun to use to make a sign with, or even add some of the other little eggs to it. I got a couple of those, and they're made about the same way that all the others are. And then I also picked up the chick. Now they have the chick in the color your own ornament as well. It's the same shape and everything. I did only get one of this one because I didn't feel like I had an idea in my head right away for it. But I live in Virginia, and there are a lot of Hokie fans in the area, and I thought, I wonder if I could turn this chick into a turkey. So we'll see. Not so sure about that, but maybe. And then they also have this really cute bunny shape, and I think you could use him if you wanted to paint him as if it were a front-facing bunny, or you could definitely use him as a rear-facing bunny and add maybe a little tail clip on the back of him, like a little poofy tail. I think that would be really super cute. And I did get 2 of those. Typically, I like to get 2 of everything in case I mess up on something, or I just want to make one for a friend or for a family member, or, usually for my mom. I love to make my mom little stuff like that as well, so I always end up getting 2. But like I say, I only got 1 of the chick. I did get 2 of the eggs. I thought that I love when they have come out with these shapes and that they're only $1, because you can do so many different things with these and have so much fun with them. So many different things. And then I went ahead and bought some of this Floral Wire, the Valentine's Day special DIY that I'm going to do. I may end up using this Floral Wire. This is a little bit larger gauge. I want to say it's maybe like a 18 or even a 16 gauge wire. And it does form really well, but I'll have to see if I can manipulate it like I want to. But I did pick a pack of that up, mostly because it is red. And there's 6 feet of floral wire in that, so I guess I'm going to break that out and try it here in the next day or so. And I hope to share a Valentine's video with you in the next 3 or 4 days. I'll probably only do 1 video for Valentine's Day stuff. I don't decorate a whole lot for Valentine's Day, but I've already made something that I super love, and I might even keep it up for a while. I also found some planner stickers. These are front and back of these little planner stickers. I have tons of planner stickers, but I love the color of these. It has all kinds of little sayings in it, like plan or pencil it in. There's a cute little, looks like a little cell phone sticker there, a little envelope. It says pencil this in. There's to do. There's like little ones to help you remember birthdays, and bill paying and different things like that. This one at the top says, but first coffee. It's also at the bottom, I noticed, and it was easier to show that one. Appointments, bills. I thought this was a really cute set. And like I say, I love the colors. And then I also got this set as well of the planner stickers, and I really liked the colors on this. This is like big plans, get it done, reminder, priority, ideas. There's bills. There's even a paid one, little check marks, note to self. I thought these were really cute. And on the back, this one had a little bit different stickers. Day off, little Merry Christmas, a couple different ones for like holidays are on there. There's appointment stickers. There's a lot of little cute ones on these that I was kind of impressed with. And for $1, it's pretty big sheets. Looks like about 8.5 by 11 maybe sheets. Probably not even quite 8.5, maybe 5 by 11. And I'm not quite sure why I'm trying to guess the size, because I'm really not good at that. All right, and then I picked up some foam shamrocks. There are 12 in a pack. There's kind of like a light green and a dark green in these. And these feel pretty firm, so I went ahead and picked those up. I don't do a whole lot of decorating for Valentine's or St. Patrick's Day, but I like to do a little. And then they had these really cute totes with a little heart on them. They're not really a burlap, but it's kind of like a fabric feel to it. I really like them. I think I can even add the girl's name to them with my silhouette, and cut out some letters on some vinyl and iron it on these, and I think that would really be super cute for Valentine's Day. I didn't get a third one for Logan because I figured I'll just put his in something different since he's a boy. I don't know that he'll want a pink heart bag. But I thought those were really cute. And then I also picked up a couple other things that I had found. This was actually in a previous trip in the last day or so, and it was a little shamrock. And then they also had a bucket of gold, and I thought that was pretty cool. I think they have like the little plastic coins that you could even add to the top. I have a ton of those already, so I didn't buy any this visit. And I've also seen on the website for Dollar Tree, they're gonna have like a sign that you can hang on your wall that looks like a rainbow, and I think that would be a lot of fun to add to this, but I'm not sure what size it is as compared to this piece. I need to actually see it in person. But I was kind of flipping through the website because I'm still looking for like the cat and the dog and the bear pieces. I've yet to see those. Never did find these little carrots last year. I looked all over for these. They're just little twine carrots. They're very simple. The little green part feels like the little bag ties for like your bread. But I bought 3 packs. I held myself back because I could not find these last year, and I thought these are super cute just to even lay around with some of the little Easter decor. I do decorate for Easter much more than I do for like Valentine's or St. Patrick's Day, and I typically put out my Easter stuff in March along with some of the St. Patrick's Day stuff that I do put out. So I do keep that out for a little bit longer because you never know when Easter's going to come up anyway. Since it changes every year. And then this little nightlight, it's got like a blue hue to it. I have a little idea of something I'm going to do with this. So stay tuned. That'll probably be coming up in the next couple weeks, but this kind of reminds me like of a little window. And I've seen a lot of people use vinyl things to put on these just to kind of make like initials or letters or flowers or anything on these, but I have a little bit different idea that I'm going to do with that. And so stay tuned for that. I can't wait. I've got this idea in my head, going back and forth with it as far as what I'm going to do with this. And I can't wait. It's one of those things that I want to do like right away, but I've got to finish up the Valentine's Day stuff that I'm working on. And it's actually spread across my dining room table right now. And then I also picked up these little, it's a 12-pack of latex balloons. They're in a heart-shaped. I think it would be fun if I had some helium to go in these. I saw them on a Dollar Tree as I was walking out in Lexington and was like, oh, I would love to have some heart balloons. But I didn't go back and buy them again, so I saw them today and went ahead and picked up a pack. And they've got white, pink, and a red in that. I just thought the heart shape and the colors of them just were so cute. And then the last thing that I bought, I already opened it up out of the package, but I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you, just because it's just a little stylus. It has that little clip on it where you can hang it on something or put it, I guess, with your planner or whatever. This is like a purplish pink color, and I just saw it today and I was like, ooh, I love that pink color. I've bought this in the blue before just to try it out. It works out really well. I use iMovie on my iPhone a lot of times to edit videos, and it's really nice to kind of have the stylus so you can kind of stop and start somewhere, or even flip through it real quick. It's just nicer than sometimes what my finger will give me when I'm flipping through it. So I really like this one. It is a little crooked, a little bit there on the tip of it, but it does work. I've already had it out and used it and everything, and I really do like it. So I think I'll probably end up picking up another pink one the next time I'm out because I just absolutely love this color. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you are having a moment to craft it up, and thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Take care, and God bless.